Good morning, everyone. And for today's skincare, instead of skincare, we do the hair plenish line. I have washed my hair for today, so I thought I will show you the product too. So the hair plenish line has recently came. We've been having the hair recovery for so long. The hair recovery mainly concentrates on giving the volume to the hair, whereas this one is for normal to dry hair, so it's going to make it even smooth and silky. So it also comes with the serum to use. Let's go ahead and see the product. My hair has improved so much after I started using the Sanajan's hair care line. I don't use any other products. These are like my disclaimers. Like, I don't use any styling products. I don't use any I do have my straightener and all, but other than my hair dryer, I don't use any of those because I don't have patience. And I don't do much of oil massages. I wish I do more, but I don't. So 90% of the time I just wash twice a week. That's all I do. Since I go for my walks or run, I just make sure I just wash them twice a week. That's all I do. More I don't do any special care or anything. As I said, I have got so many comments where they say, why do you have these many flyaways, like you should apply extra gel and other things. But this is what me as that is like. I like to keep it simple. I like to keep it real. I just want you to see me as your people next door. I don't want to be like I'm not a beauty influencer, or I'm not like a take time to do like 10 steps a day. I'm like another mom who has like just few minutes for my hairdo every day. So that's why I want to keep it simple. So I have washed my hair. You can see I do go for coloring. My hairstylist is here. She knows. So for the past 2 maybe 3 years I've been going to her. So that's the only coloring I do. So both these products, the hair plenish as well as the hair recovery, both are good for even any hair color. You can see they even enhance it. They don't spoil it in any way. See, the shampoo and conditioner are 7 ounce each. They both are nice and big, and the serum is 2.9 ounce. So this is the size. If you see even the beauty book, I want to first go with the beauty book first, and then let's dive in to see what is important in each product. Here we have the hair plenish in the beauty book. If I read it here, specifically formulated for normal to dry hair types, the hair plenish line of products nourish dry hair and scalp without leaving hair feeling really heavy, and also hair color is protected while active ingredients gently cleanse and moisturize for shiny, healthy looking hair that feels touchably soft, and formulated without any sulfates, parabens, silicons, gluten or phthalates. So that is the important thing. I started using these for my son too. Previously I used to use the hair recovery line. As you know, since he's too young, he has his natural growth, so I don't have to have anything extra on him. So now he uses these the hair plenish line. So we, as I said, we have 3 of them. If you see the shampoo, it says influenced with beneficial botanicals and vitamins, this rich lathering formula gently cleanses hair while moisturizing the scalp. So if you have a dry scalp, or if you say flaky scalp, then these products are really going to help on that, because it's going to put back the moisture in. With any of the Senagen's products, that is one important thing I really like about it, because they don't strip down the essential oils or anything. Instead they put back the moisture while cleansing it properly. So as I mentioned, it's good for even color treated hair, and there is something called Wave Max complex that helps improve hair smoothness and manageability. And also it has Ornimo complex, which contains arnica flower extract, which aids in soothing the scalp. So this is with the what is it like hmm, with the shampoo. While it comes to the conditioner, this creamy conditioning formula adds rich moisture to the hair and scalp. It also reduces tangles and the appearance of frizz for touchably soft and smooth hair that's more manageable, and again it's safe for color treated hair. And it has something called Hydro Vitamin Plus complex, which makes the naturally based sugars and moisturizing sodium hyalurate. And it has nangai oil, which we always talk about for skincare, because nangai oil is directly comes from nangai nut, and it's highly moisturizing because it's 100% triglyceride. So that way adding it in the conditioner is going to make what to say, like the hair smooth and soft and supple. I always get the question, most of them used to tell me like, I use shampoo, but do I need the conditioner? So when you do the shampoo, what it does is it opens out the pores and cleanses it. But when you do the conditioner, it's going to seal all the protein in and the moisture, and it's going to seal and protect it. So there is a saying that says, shampoo the roots whereas condition the ends, because that's where you see the split ends, you see the breakage and all those stuff. So always condition the part behind. As you all know, I have almost to my hip, that's how much hair I do now. So for me itself, it reaches for more than 3 to 4 months, because me and my husband, both of us use the product. And I use hair plenish run once and hair recovery once. I switch between them. So for me now they last a little bit longer. Even if you use one line, that itself will come to 3 or 4 months, as I mentioned. So because the key to Senegen's product is you are not going to use a ton of product. You always start small, like a pea size to dime size. If you are someone who applies oil before you wash your hair, then I suggest just getting a cleansing shampoo or something which can directly wash the oil in, because these are like high professional grade ones. So you can either use this itself, but you may need one extra wash, or you can just cleanse it with something else and use this as a treatment. That's one thing to do. Or as I said, you may need it twice. What I do is I first use one little pea size and dime size and cleanse my hair on the top. I have always shown, you can see the size of my head. Mine is like quite big. I have so much hair even in the top, so I use it twice. So I first wash it, and I also wash down with the shampoo, and I thoroughly shower them. The key to these products is having more water in your hair, because since it's sulfate free, it helps it to have some lather, because otherwise you won't get much, but it still works. So I always get a dime size here, add water, I emulsify it here, and then I go and apply all over on the roots. That way it helps to spread all over and cleanse it properly. The second time I go back and use just the shampoo on the top, and I use the conditioner on the bottom. That way, because conditioner again has cleansing agents, so that itself is enough for my hair. So that is how I wash my hair using these products. And when it comes to the hair plenish serum, again it's going to, this lightweight 8 powerful leave-in serum works to hydrate and soothe itchy, flaky, irritated scalps. As a result, hair looks and feels healthier and softer and shinier. It has something called Aquaxel, a complex of nature-based sugars that help to improve dehydrated skin. So as I mentioned, if you have someone dry, itchy scalp, then obviously using this is going to help moisturize it. Botamoist AMS complex contains apple fruit extract, which provides natural moisturization and a light non-tacky feel. Both our serums are non-sticky. They are not going to leave in like a oily feel. I always suggest to take a bit in your hand and use your finger and start applying directly in your scalp. Like just open it and just start applying it directly in your scalp, so that way you get more moisture in. I hardly use 2 pumps for my entire scalp. That's how much you need, not more than that. And I use only twice a week. I prefer to use it when my hair is wet before I dry out. You can use it wet or dry. You can it says you can use daily, but I would say you don't need that much. You can start building upon it. Once you settles down, you may reduce the number of times you are using, and that should be fine, because once you regularly use these products, you won't need that much. That is how I feel. It comes to the skincare line too. For example, the exfoliators, when you start, you may use thrice a week, but once you are using it for quite a while, then you can just move to twice a week. You don't need to do that much because you don't have that much buildup on your face. So the same way, this can be worked into your schedule and use as needed. And one more thing, there is no animal byproducts in any of these products. So these are vegan and also not animal tested. And if you need like individual breakdowns too, you can reach out to me anytime. I will be happy to send across the ingredient list, or even the like the product list or something. So that is another thing if you want to learn more. See the conditioner, it also has aloe vera juice. So any of these products has so many natural ingredients in them that is going to help moisturize and avoid the dullness that you have with the hair. As we age, hair becomes one important issue we all go through due to hormones, stress and environmental issues. So these products can help you to take care of it in a better way, but in a simple form. Like you don't need to put like a 30 minutes a week or something. It is just hardly few minutes while you shower, but at the same time it's going to help them by doing that. In the same way, if you overwash it, that is another thing that dries out the scalp, because I know many people try to do that. When using Sanagen's line, I have seen I can what is it, like expand the time in between washes. That way I don't have to keep washing it quite often, and as I mentioned, I can maximum go 3, not more than that. So it is going to help that in way also. As we get older, the natural oils that secrete to keep the scalp moisturized is going to reduce, like how it's happening in our skin for our face or anywhere. The similar way it dries out the scalp, and also the environment plays a huge issue. And if you are someone who uses heating, curling products and all those stuff, obviously they all matter to damage the skin, damage the hair. So these are going to help you to reduce the effects of those and have the same moisturization back. So that's the thing I wanted to talk about. I think the shampoo and conditioner are 35 each. As I said, they are like quite big. They are not small size, they are more for the buck. And this one is $55. So that's the line I wanted to talk about for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a wonderful day.